Happy New Year, everybody. This is Xander from Fun King 3D. Welcome back to another episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. I know my model's around here somewhere, but I'll find it right after this.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
I know this is a Xander's Thing Thursday, but I'm currently filming this on Monday, January 1st, the day after New Year's Eve. I printed this last night for the party at midnight, and this is a really cool model, and I printed it in one of my favorite filaments, AIO Robotics. It had a 205-degree nozzle, a 60-degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. It was printed at 100 millimeters per second linear advance. No supports were needed in the making of this model. This was a simple model to print. It took under an hour to print with no supports. The assembly was a little tricky with the hinge points. I think assembly would have been easier if I used PETG to print this model. Let me give you a close-up of this model. This model was designed by Catf, and a link to it will be in the description below. Thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on. Hey everybody, I was going to quit all my bad habits for the new year, but then I remembered no one likes a quitter.